Gorgonzola sun-dried tomato pignoli, stuffed in a pork roast. I love pignoli, but to bring out the flavor, you gotta toast them first. And sun-dried tomatoes, but hydrate them first. Those smell amazing and they're golden brown. Set half of them aside, add the rest to your food processor with those sun-dried tomatoes, a couple cloves of garlic, some parsley, and send that for a ride with some olive oil. Yeah, that's not gonna suck. That's a beautiful pork loin. Score through the fat on the top. We don't want this thing to accordion when we roast it, do we? Flip it over and butterfly it, opening up like a book on one side and the other. Give it a couple 2-3 light smacks. Add that pesto, spread it out. Time for the cheese, Gorgonzola dulce. Oh yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna seal that cheese in with a sausage border. It's like meat glue. And now we're gonna close it back up in reverse. And we gotta truss it. Use a surgeon's knot and it will hold itself. Now make a loop and send it through. Cinch it up tight, loop, and repeat. Cinch up the last one, turn that roast over, and finish it up. Don't forget to season it up. Dust it with a little flour. We're gonna pan sear it, locking in that gorgonzola. Starting with the bottom first, further ensuring that this stays together. Sear it on both the sides. Beautiful. Everything seared except the top, which is going face down. Might as well add some veggies and into the oven until it temps out. Oh, that's beautiful. Set aside those veggies. Take this out of the pan. We got to get rid of some of that excess fat. Before we put the pan back on with some shallots, I like a wooden spoon like Nonna for this. Those brown bits are what we want to glaze with wine. Add those pan drippings and some stock and let that reduce. I recommend straining this sauce. You know the rules. Take it off heat, cold butter, and swirl. Let me show you this.
You didn't lose the insides. That meat is so tender. Sun-dried tomato, piñon nuts, and gorgonzola.
You called that one.
You can't get better. That sauce, though, that's good.
That's without flavor.